Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another whatnot unboxing. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah. Alright Jelly Beans, it's going to be a short one. It's from TB's Hobbies. Yeah, his link will be down below for whatnot, along with his YouTube and my whatnot link. So, alright, here we go. Keys, Trusty Keys. Yeah, I bet. I'm bad, Jelly Beans, yeah. Why is it every time when the box is closed, the box is lighter, but when the box gets open, it gets heavier? I don't know. Alright, here we go. Right here, he threw a surprise in for me. This is not surprise right here though. Oh. Alright, here we go. Here is a Nissan O'Reilly's. I think this is the O'Reilly's exclusive. I wish they would, like, I'm not sure. I don't know if this is the O'Reilly's exclusive or not, but it's a Nissan Fairlady. I really wish O'Reilly's would, like, put their name on it so you know it's an exclusive or something. I'm not sure if it's an exclusive or not. Like I said, your dreams come true, Fairlady. This is very nice. Alright, and here goes another Datsun pickup truck. I like my Datsun pickup trucks. They're pretty sick. I like them a lot. Junior tried to grab it off of me. Alright, here we go. Here goes something special TB's Hobbies gave me. Ooh. Here's a Volkswagen van panel bus from Hot Wheels. That's pretty cool. I don't know why it's in a wrappy thing. Oh, okay. Here we go. Alright. Oh, this is nice. Very nice. Thank you very much, TB's Hobbies. I like this very much. One of 15,000. Wow. That's pretty sick. I like it. Thank you very much. Thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace.